describe you. I don't know how to explain you. If I say you good, you are more than good. If I say you nice, you are more than nice. If I say you awesome, you are more than that. The only way I can describe you, Lord. You're so biggie, 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 biggie. My God is so big, biggie, 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 biggie. Jesus, you are mighty, oh. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Holy Ghost, you are big, biggie, 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 biggie. Jehovah, you are big, oh. Biggie, biggie, biggie. My God is so big, biggie, 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 oh. When I look at this sea, very big. When I look at this world, very big. When I look beyond this world, so big. Then how big is our God? I don't know. It makes me wonder. This God is full of wonder. He hold the sky without a pillar. This God is Alpha and Omega. Yeah. Hey, just